Welcome to SBM 11.4 System Analytics Improvements. This short module highlights the changes made to system analytics and runtime statistics in SBM 11.4. If you'd like an introduction to system analytics in SBM, then first check out this video produced for version 11.3. As usual, you enable or disable system analytics from the Diagnostics page in SBM Configurator. You can also specify who will receive notifications here. Apply the changes and we're ready to go. Now, let's log on to the Work Center. We need to use an account with remote administration privilege. Access to System Analytics, along with Runtime Statistics, is now accomplished from the Application Administrator portal. Both features are now available under the More category. Let's take a quick look at the new monitoring capabilities available in System Analytics. Select the SBM server. There are some new options in the component list. For Application Engine servers and for Windows, you can monitor the CPU usage and memory usage. You can also monitor the record count for the common log and the event log. This can help avoid potential performance or space issues. Now, let's monitor the CPU usage of the Tomcat process. And add the monitor to the dashboard. While the CPU monitor is running, let's look at runtime statistics. Several new report types have been added. Let's try one. Here are the top applications for reports by report duration. Now, let's return to System Analytics. The real-time monitor is still running, showing Tomcat CPU usage. Finally, let's exit the Application Administrator. This concludes our short video on SBM System Analytics in SBM 11.4. To learn more, visit help.serena.com.